Hello everyone and welcome to Satin Flower Making by Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 13 and we are going to learn how to make a 6-petal open lily and a bud lily. First we will see the materials required to make a 6-petal lily and a bud lily. A starched satin cloth. I am using the pink color one. This is starched. I need few long pollens, thick thread, thin thread, a pair of scissors, a plier, tissue paper, Fevicol or any glue or gum, flower making wires. I need some, how many, 6 plus 3, 9 wires I need. At present I am showing just one. And the very important things, the shapes. This is for 6-petal lily. Yeah, these are the shapes. So this is from here to here 8.5 centimeter, and then you can see the measurements. Just draw the shape like this. This is for the big lily, 6-petal big lily. Yeah. Then this is for the bud lily, this much. Okay, so now we will start. I'll keep everything aside. Yeah, take the starched satin cloth, and on the back side of the cloth, this is the back side, not this is shiny side, and on the back side draw the shape. Take a pencil or a pen or whichever is comfortable. Just have to draw the shape. Yeah, okay. Now cut the shape. On the line, cutting should be very fine. Yeah, I am almost done. Yes. So this is one petal. I need 6 petals like this. First we will work on one petal. Same we have to do for all the 6 petals. Now what we do is, take this flower making wire. It should be like this much long and little should be left on the in the end. Take Fevicol. First I need to cut tissue. A piece like this. This much should be enough for me. And then take Fevicol.
Mama,
Yeah, beta.
when you had one bungus in our window, then the bungus comes, sir.
Yes,
They are
yes.
not bad. They are not bad bungus.
Yes,
They are
yes.
good bungus, sir.
Okay, yeah, I'm
When
making
bungus come, we have to eat them, huh?
yeah, I'm making video, beta. I'll talk to you later.
Mama, those want some great things.
Yeah, that was my son asking some questions. Okay, please kindly excuse. Okay, so after wrapping that tissue paper on the wire like this, what you do is, spread this Fevicol on this, on the back side of the petal, and then place the wire like this. Press a little, not too much, yeah, and then keep it for drying for at least some 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, so now our petal is ready. So we have come to the most important part, this molding the petal. We are going to do hand molding. So how for the molding, first I need a handkerchief, a regular handkerchief which we use. Now take the petal like this and fold it, yeah, fold it. Then place it on any one corner like this, the open end towards me and the closed end towards the corner. Wrap it. Place your another hand exactly on the petal, pressing it tight, and hold this corner. You have to pull the corner out like this, outside. Hold this tight and take one half circle. So your petal will become like this. You can see these lines. Okay, so it's very simple. I'll show you once again. Place the petal here like this, and just what you're doing is you're pulling this, and this you have to place very tight and go for one half circle. Just go for one half circle. That's it. Take one flower making wire, cut it into two, and yeah. So now I'll show you all the petals we have made so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the 6 petals for big lily and 3 petals for bud lily. The process is same. Okay, first take this wire, then take 3 long pollens. This you can just arrange it. I mean, they need not to be at the same height. You can arrange them like this also. And then take the flower making tape, green color. I am using green color. You can take the white color one also and drape it. Yeah. Now the process of lily making starts. First we are going to make big lily. I am going to take one petal and place it like this. Use the thick thread because these petals are little big, so the thin thread is not sufficient to hold the petals tight. So use the thick thread. Tie the knot. This is one. Okay. Take another petal. Now I am going to arrange 3 petals first in the triangular way. Like one is going to come, one is here at the same height. Okay, height should be same, not like this. Should be same, like this. Yeah. Now one came here and another one at the same height will go here. It should be in a triangle. Yeah. Okay, let me try this. Yeah. And then the third one here, same height. So arrange it like a triangle. Yeah. Okay, now I have 3 more petals left, so I am going to place it on the open ends, 1, 2 and 3, the outer triangle. Same process, same height, and tight. Let me complete the circle. Yeah. So yes, 6 petals I have arranged, same height. Now 1, 2, 3 inner petals. I need to give a shape to them. What I am going to do is inner petals. Thumb, place the thumb here on the petal inside and just press it. Press it inside. Same, press it inside. Press it. Okay. Now the outer petals, same process. Yeah. Nothing you have to do. That doesn't make a big difference actually. If you're saying like you people must be thinking, well, I'm not seeing any difference. What you have to do is just place the thumb here and just thumb here, the index finger on the back side of that flower, and just give a inner press, just pressing it inside. That's it. So you will get to see this type of what I say, a center hole, I can say. So center hole you should get to see. So that's all. This is your 6 petal open lily. Yeah. Complete the process. Drape the thread. Tie the knot. Yeah, drape the green tape. Lily. Okay, same process, bud lily. Three petals. Now here how I am going to arrange is, first in the open lily I arranged on this. Now I am going to cover it on this like this. Yeah, not here, inside, on the inner side. Okay. Yeah, same height, the second petal, and the third petal, again same height. Yeah, drape the thread. Cut the extra wires. Drape the green tape. Just arrange it properly like a bud, like a bud, and you can like this and like this, you can arrange it. Tie. No need to tie the knot, because now you people are well versed with the thread and everything. If you can hold, if you are new to this, yeah, tie a knot. If you can hold without tying the knot, well and good. Okay. Anything which is some thread or coming in between something, just cut it off. So see, this is my bud lily and this is my open lily. Yeah, it looks like this. So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I am happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.